So if you've enjoyed my previous lemonade, you definitely gotta love this one as well. So we went one step further by bringing you a little bit more tropical flavors by adding mangoes to it. Yes, mangoes. You know, we're from the Caribbean, so we gotta enjoy our fruits, and this is what we do. I remember back in those days sitting underneath the mango tree and having some great time. If you're from the Caribbean, I don't care where you're from, you know what I'm talking about. So let's make some lemonade out of it. So exactly same process. We're gonna use our lemons. The difference is on this one, we're gonna start directly in the blender because we have to blend our mango chunks. So we're gonna go ahead and squeeze our lemons directly in the blender. So don't worry if some of the seeds from the lemon falls in there. At the end, we are going to strain it to make it nice and smooth. But let's try not to let too much of it goes in there. All right, so I'm gonna add our mangoes. Takes about 2 mangoes, 2 whole nice big plump mangoes. If you use little small ones like this, about 3, 4 of them would work. But if you get the nice huge ones, 2 of them will do the trick. So this is just about 2.5 cups. Let's go ahead and add our sugar. Same process as our mango lemonade. So just 1 cup, and we add about 1/4 teaspoons, about 2 pinches of salt. And the reason we add the salt does a great job at enhancing, sugar. The sugar, make it nice and sweet and tasteful without adding more sugar. It does a great job at that. So that's why we add it. And in this one, I'm gonna add about 8 cups of water. Ooh. A little messy there. Don't be shy. Come take a look. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come. See? Make it nice and smooth. Of course, because of the mango, it's a little creamy. Alright, so now we are going to strain it, just to make sure to remove all the mango chunks that may be on there. Gotta make sure you squeeze it all the way out. It does take a little bit of time. Make sure you get all the juice out of that. And what you're removing from the juice is this. And now, if you thought we were done, think again. It's the time to do one last step to make it go over the top, and that's adding the vanilla extract. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. And you stir that in. Now, you can also add the vanilla extract when you were blending all the ingredients together. But I like to do it at the end It doesn't really matter. You could really, it's just a preference. And now you get to enjoy a taste of the islands. Alright, so if you guys know Merlene, you know she likes all nice little cutesy stuff, so let's Merlinize it. Adding a little bit of mint flavor to it, and enjoy. Oh yeah, you'll be ready for your next outside outings. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and see you on the next one.